Here I have Realme GT Neo 3, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the password and security, then go to the fingerprint, and what you have to do is to set up lock screen password. Could be numeric password, pattern, or alphanumeric. So I'm just gonna select the simplest of pins, the 4 digits pin. So you enter your pin, then you confirm it. Then what you have to do is to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here, and tap on it with your finger several times until it remembers your fingerprint. And fingerprint aided. Now, here in the fingerprint section, you have to enable app lock. Then what you have to do is to set up a privacy password. Here you can set up like the same password as you have on your lock screen, or you can like set some separate password. I'm just gonna use the same that I have on my screen lock. So you enter it, confirm it. The one more thing you have to do is to answer security question. Like you can select one of these questions or just set up custom question. Then when you have app lock enabled, to lock apps you have to go to the privacy section. Then go to the app lock, confirm your identity by scanning your fingerprint or just enter password manually. Enable app lock, and now you can lock apps. So let's lock Chrome, calendar, contacts and Drive. And as you can see, now I can't access Google Chrome without scanning my fingerprint or entering privacy password. So yeah. What else you should know is when you lock the screen and then unlock it once again, apps which you have locked, they will be locked too after that. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.